fix internet not working in some apps. So if your apps are facing a problem with the internet connection, then the first thing you need to do is you have to simply go to your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, whichever you are using. And after opening your Wi-Fi, now you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi, and then after turning that off, you should wait for 3 to 5 seconds, and then you can again turn that on. Or you can also simply tap on your Wi-Fi, and then you can tap on forget, and after tapping on forget, you can again connect to your Wi-Fi. And after connecting, if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings and then go for network and internet, and now you can go to airplane mode, and then you can again simply turn on your airplane mode, and after turning that on, you can again turn that off. And after that, you can go back and then go for apps and notifications, and you can choose the app on which you are facing a problem with the internet connection. For example, I'll be choosing WhatsApp, and here if you're facing a problem with WhatsApp, then you can go for mobile data and Wi-Fi, and now you have to simply turn that background data on, then it will not work while it is on the background. And after turning that on, you can simply go back, and even after this, if that still doesn't fix, then you can simply update your application. So if you have an update on your application, then you can simply go to Play Store, and then you can update your application. So if you don't update, then you might find this kind of problem. You can open up your Play Store, and then on the search bar you can search for that app. So for example, I'll be choosing WhatsApp, and then go for search. And now after searching, if you have an update option here, you can simply tap on update and make sure to update it. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix, then you have to clear the cache, like clear the cache or the storage. So first open up your settings, and then go for apps and notifications, and then you can go for see all apps, and then you can search for WhatsApp, or you can go for WhatsApp from here, and then you can go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear storage if you remember your login information or your mobile number and all the details. And after that, you can again log into your account, and that might fix your problem. But if that still isn't fixed, then the last fix is to restart your device. So you can simply hold on to that power button, and here on the upper right corner you will have restart option. Simply tap on that restart, and after that your issue might be fixed. So that's it. These were few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.